G'day YouTube, it's Turbo Tristan here. Today we are down at Sandown Mechanical Repairs, or aka Springy Performance. We were getting the car checked over, wanted to do a leak down test, wanted to check it out, check out the overheating, get the cold start fixed, all that sort of stuff. We did chuck it on the dyno for testing purposes, but we did end up doing one run, which you're about to see here. The facts are, we revved it to 6,800. So this engine should be able to rev to 8,000, and it only made 11.8 psi. So we should again be able to double that with the forged Vitara build engine on E85 and all that stuff. So this is just a teaser, guys. This isn't the tune. This is not what it did or what we're going to make, or this is not the final form. This is just one run on the dyno to see what it would make and to see how everything performed, if it was rich, if it was lean. So check this out. The car made 149 kilowatts or 150 at the wheels at 6,600 RPM, and it did it on only 11 PSI, which is fantastic. You'll notice the power curve is very linear. It just goes in a very straight line up at about 45 degrees all the way till we actually revved the car to 6,700 or 6,600 RPM. It started to dive off and stop making power at that point. That was due to we hadn't touched the timing, we hadn't touched the cam gear, we hadn't touched the boost or the boost controller, which isn't hooked up yet. So that's why it started to drop off power, because of the VTEC cam. It hadn't been dialed in with the adjustable cam gear. So we're still doing all of that. Eventually, just for now, we just want to check a few things, try and get the cold start a bit better. So it's just a little bit of an experimentation day. The plan will be to add the electronic boost controller, bring some of that boost in earlier, and then build the middle range of the power curve, so it'll sort of come up and be a bit higher in the middle, and then just gradually keep going up. I don't want anything too aggressive. We could tune it with the cam gear, with timing, and with the boost controller, just to ramp it straight in and make it jump up like that. But that's just going to break my standard gearbox and my standard drive shafts, and I don't want that. I want to take it to the track. I want to use it for everything. Plenty of people run a Vitara build setup with the I-beam rods, a fully built engine with a block guard, all that sort of stuff, and run it to 20 PSI. Some guys that build drag cars run them to 25 and 30 PSI. My goals are around about 20 PSI. So that's double what we were seeing today. So hopefully the power should go over the 200 kilowatt mark, over 250 horsepower, maybe even 300, we'll see. Firstly, we've got to sort out the heating and cooling situation, get the car sorted, then we can turn it up. So I really hope you enjoy the very short teaser dyno video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Put in the comments what you think it will make on, say, 20 pounds boost up to 8,000 RPM properly tuned. Let me know. I'm impressed with 150. It's awesome. Thank you so much to all of my Patreons. There's a link below. If anyone else wants to help support the channel, it would really mean a lot to me and help the channel grow. Links in the description. Make sure you subscribe. There's more content with this coming up. We've got more content with mine, more content with the Accord, plenty more content. I've got some surprises coming, heaps and heaps of parts. We've got a sponsor. We've got the 700 horsepower build. So make sure you take your grubby fingers, click like, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.